Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I have a product I wanted to review. It's a USB hub. I picked this up because if you go back and check out one of my other reviews, I got a new laptop, an HP Spectre, and at work I use it, but it's not very easy to hook up to my monitor. So I needed something that would make it easy to access with having the USB outlets, the HDMI, hook up to the monitors, headphone jack, all in one spot. So I don't have to keep turning around and plugging it into where my laptop is. So after scouring the internet, I settled on a brand called Komkerr, I think is how you pronounce it, Komkaer. Basically, this is the box it came in, pretty straightforward. It was well packaged. It came in with this plastic sleeve and then some bubble wrap, and then this is it, the device itself. So it also came with some instructions if you need those. So let's get into the device. Because my laptop's newer, I wanted to take advantage of the USB Type-C 3.0 connection. So that's what this is. You can see right here next to the power supply, there's a little headphone jack, and then everything right here is on the front, which is perfect for what I need it. You have a spare USB Type-C input. You have your HDMI output, so this is what I use to hook up to my monitors at work. You can hook up to a TV, whatever you need. Then it's got three USB 3.0 Type A jacks, and then you have a SD card slot and a micro SD card slot. Now, one thing to note on the micro, so typically, at first I kind of struggled with it and how to get it to recognize when I was plugging it in, and it's because the pins face down, but the bottom one here, the micro, the pins face up. So once you figure it out, then you never have to worry about it. But it's got great speeds. I've had no problem with it transferring over. The only thing on this device that I have not used, simply because the laptop has Wi-Fi, but it does come with gigabit Ethernet input here, the RJ45. So if you have an older computer that doesn't have Wi-Fi, then this may become useful. Or if you just don't trust your Wi-Fi, it's just not a strong signal and you want a hard plug-in. This is an option for you. So overall, like I said, I've been really impressed with this. If you're in the market for a USB hub, I would check out this brand. I'll include some information below on what I tested it with and everything. So like always, I look forward to you guys' feedback. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up below, and then help me out and like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, and until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.